Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for job site hearing protection, ISOtunes has been our go-to for years. These are two of their latest models, the ISOtunes PRO 3.0 and the ISOtunes PRO Aware 2.0. One thing that we love about this is the battery life. They are long lasting. They will last you well throughout the workday and into the next one for sure. Another awesome feature is not only are they going to protect your hearing by lowering the level of the loud noises around you, but you have Bluetooth connectivity. So if you want to listen to music while you work while also protecting your hearing, or you even want to take phone calls, you can do all of that with these earbuds. They both have nice flexible ear hooks. They also come with all kinds of different size of foam tips, so you can choose the one that you like. And they're super easy to swap out. They're also really easy to clean just with a wet paper towel. To put them in, you just compress them, put them in your ear, and they'll expand and be super comfortable fit. Now, we personally like to use the Pro 3.0 when you know you're going to be around loud noises continuously. So this will really block out the noise. The ISOtunes PRO Aware 2.0, on the other hand, has Aware technology. Now, this will blow your mind because it's designed to block out loud noises, but allow you to hear voices. So the Aware technology, you can turn that up so that if you're working with people, you can still hear what's going on around you. So that's really great for the job site. Now, they both come in their own carrying cases, and these models, they use a USB-C charger. So that is a universal charger that we have everywhere in our homes. So yes, it comes with one, but it's super easy to charge on the go. So if you're looking for clear audio, but of course you also need the hearing protection and you want something that's going to be very comfortable with a long-lasting battery, I think you'll be really happy with either of these. They're both super great options, and that's my point of view.